Today I will show you how to automate your sales funnel. Like now I have a sales automation tool and I made it using Google Colab and Python. Okay, so here it is my Google Sheet where I upload leads like Miju Hair Salon, Salon Reach. These are the three leads and the status is new. So now we will go to our Google Colab and run our file. Okay, so currently okay, choose configure file. So for my security purpose I used my API keys here and okay, it's cancel. I have to run it again. So I will upload my configure file. So after that it will ask for the service account to handle my Google Sheet for leads and I uploaded this. There are three leads and you can check successfully connected to Sheet sales automation. Found three new leads to for the process and these mail are AI generated personally uh, like targeted audience, like AI will generate the particular email for this type of salons. Okay, so process complete and now we check our Google Sheet. So email sent. We can also check our Brevo for update. We can check it here. I'm using Brevo for my free email servicing. It's very good. So two mail are delivered, one is sent. You can see here. So guys, this is my full automation tool and you can check it. It's very easy to run and you can also secure your files. So if you want to make this type of tools and want to learn this type of tool, please watch Techno Thinker. Thank you.